So guys, I am recording this video to show how our life or how our house is isa siya kapatid, isa siya squatter tayo, but these are the motivations that help me to become a millionaire, help me to become very successful because I'm a dreamer. I have a lot of dreams in my life. Look at my house. This is my bed. Yes, this is my bed. Just there's a piece of foods, a symbol of my father, my phone, and my study table area. Electric fan. And then our bongbong is kanang ano na siya guys, sin ra na siya. Sin with plywoods. Then cabinet din. Pwede naman bongbong doon pod kay ubal pa ni tahan na nag-karton. Karton and plywood ra na dyan. Tanga na gamit, tanga na nag clothing ako mga okay stocks din na puputang. Ang sala dito. Puskar sala doon as well as from sa mangkol ni mama. Tara. Mana? Tahan na. Among dirty kitchen. Oh, kitchen kay dirty kitchen. Dere. Look at that. This is dirty kitchen. Dara. Yang CR naman dara. CR. Stock room. Then, gawas na sa balay. So, yan ang balay. Gamay kayo. 2 rooms, CR, and kitchen area, and stock room. Okay na, pero silbi. You need to level up, diba? I also graduated as magna cum laude in Bachelor of Physical Education. And I will be a successful businessman. I will be the best and the best okay store in Shaton. And I will expand my business. I will go to different towns like Monquita, Santa Catalina, Mount Paras, Kinabuhi. That I will be one. But now I'm not the one, but I will be not one of the, but the one who is the largest okay business in the whole Lagos Oriental. Thank you. Peace. And I will balik ka after like years. 3 maybe? I will be a millionaire.